Jeff from gone. I couldn't have blocked none of that. Dodge? Question mark? Dodge? Question mark? In the air? Question mark? In the air? Question mark. Still get hit by a crit. This crit, I'm a Quincy. That crit need a nerf. I'm sorry. Look at this inlay right here, y'all. This is what the video about. This inlay right here. I'm standing there still. I can't move. I'm standing there still. I cannot move. Keep in mind, I'm running. Hold on. I'm running. This man literally has his whole back to me. Bro, watch this bullshit. For a whole half a second, my cuz. I couldn't do shit. Look at that. That's me just standing there trying to do my crit, and I can't do nothing. Let me just show you one more time so y'all can slow it down, y'all. Look at that. In lag. For what? Keep in mind, bro. These the type of guys say KIDO be running. Look at this. I stay in one spot advancing. I'm chasing him. Please let me. Please for love of God. What's in there? I can't do nothing. That move needs to come out my heart. It's really a crutch. Probably put a warning too. Hey, keep in mind, bro. Keep in mind, bro. Stand right here. This man is really running from me. But I'm running. Watch this. Easy, bro. Bro. Dude said easy. Fam, I had no let's bar. You had me 2 bars. I got let's and everything. Still on 2 bars. I was on 2 bars for at least a whole minute. And this man said easy. Like, this was like so ass. And then watch this. Trash KIDO. And then this is what I be talking about. All you do is run. Like, come on, bro. Game trash. Stop hating on Quincys. Please fix the game.